In this video, I will show you how to change date format in Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, as you can see, your date and time is in the bottom right hand corner on your taskbar. You can see mine is currently set to show the day, followed by the month and then the year. Now, if you want to change this to a different format, so you wanted the month first and then the day, then what you want to do is come to your search box in the taskbar at the bottom. In here, type control panel and then open up control panel underneath best match. Once your control panel is opened, come up to the top right hand corner where it says view by. Make sure this is selected to large icons. And then what you want to do is look for date and time. So you can see that's here. Give that a click. And what it's going to do is open a window like this. From here, you're going to see an option to change date and time. Give that a click. And then what you want to do is click the link here which says change calendar settings. Now what it's going to do is bring up another window which says region. From here, come down to the bottom, click onto additional settings. And on this window here which says customize format, you can see at the top we've got a tab for date. Give that a click. It's going to take you to a screen like this. And this way you can come to change your date format. So as you can see, mine is currently set to show the day, followed by the month and then the year. Now all you need to do, you can see the notations underneath that you need to use. So for example, if I wanted to change this to show the month and then the day, then all I would do is simply change this and put then I would put DD for the middle. And then once I've done that, click apply and OK. You'll now see if I come down to the bottom right hand corner, we are now showing the month, followed by the day and then the year. Of course, you can set this to whatever format you prefer. And that is how to change the date format in Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial and I will see you in the next video.